Aviation This Week is brought to you by Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: Air Canada adds routes for new Airbus A220, then SkyWest orders Embraer E175 Jets, and British Airways remote control pushback vehicles reach 100,000 departures. Air Canada on August 14th announced 2 new year-round daily routes it plans to operate with its new Airbus A220-300 aircraft. Non-stop service between Montreal and Seattle, and also between Toronto and San Jose, are slated to begin May 4th, 2020. This will be the 153rd direct destination served from Trudeau International Airport. Built at Airbus's Mirabel facility, Air Canada's first Airbus A220 is scheduled to be delivered later this year. In addition to the 2,500 people employed in Mirabel by Airbus, the airline notes the A220 includes parts from 30 Canadian suppliers. Air Canada will be the first North American carrier to operate the larger A220-300 version of the aircraft, which has a range of 3,200 nautical miles. The aircraft leveraged Pratt & Whitney's Pure Power PW1500G geared turbofan engines, projected to yield a 20% reduction in fuel consumption per seat. Air Canada's initial A220 aircraft will be configured with 12 business class and 125 economy class seats. SkyWest placed a firm order for 7 Embraer E175 Jets in a 70-seat configuration, which will be operated for Delta. The order is valued at $340 million US based on 2019 list prices, with deliveries expected to begin in the fourth quarter of 2019. SkyWest Airlines has a fleet of nearly 500 aircraft operating around 2,500 daily flights. In addition to Delta, the airline operates through partnerships with United Airlines, American Airlines, and Alaska Airlines to carry more than 38 million passengers per year. As an early customer for the Embraer EMB-120 Brasilia turboprop aircraft, SkyWest's history of working with Embraer stretches over some 30 years. For its modern E-Jets program alone, Embraer has logged more than 1,800 orders and 1,500 aircraft have been delivered. Today, E-Jets, covering a 70 to 150 seat range, are flying in the fleets of 80 customers in 50 countries. British Airways remote control pushback vehicles reached 100,000 departures in mid-August. The airline's fully electric mototalk vehicles have been used to maneuver the airline's 140-strong short-haul fleet out to the runway for takeoff for the past 2 years. British Airways is the first and only airline to use the mototalk tugs, which replace traditional diesel tugs and are part of the British Airways' wider environmental commitment to run an emissions-free airside operation. The airline's team of pushback operators wear a wireless headset to keep in direct contact with the pilots on board the aircraft while it is pushed out to the runway. British Airways now has 25 mototalk devices in use at Heathrow, with a vehicle ready to go on each one of its short-haul aircraft stands at Terminal 5. Thanks again to our sponsor, Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Register today for Careers in Aviation 2019, taking place September 21st at WestJet's facility in Mississauga.